Amanda, we recently released the top 100 medical device companies list, which can be found on mddionline.com. That's mddionline.com, and we'll have that link in the description. But I want to talk a little bit about some of the trends that I've seen as I've sifted through the data from the list, and that's the lack of strong mid-tier companies. Your companies on the level of Shockwave Medical and Biomed, which were both acquired in the past, by the way. But those mid-tier companies like them are no longer on the list. What are your thoughts on this?
Well, it's interesting that you bring that up, Omar. I wouldn't say there's a lack of strong mid-cap companies on this year's top 100 list, but I hear what you're saying. And I think what stands out to me is that how we define mid-cap companies in this industry may be changing. There are still companies like iRhythm Technologies, which, spoiler alert, landed at number 74 on the list, or Penumbra, which came in at 55. And there are also companies like Tandem Diabetes and Insulet that would fall into that mid-cap category as well. But then you have, as you mentioned, companies like Shockwave and Abiomed that were both acquired by Johnson and Johnson, so they're no longer on the list. So it is an interesting trend for sure, and it'll be even more interesting after this year to see if there's more companies in that tier being acquired that are, just due to consolidation in the industry that are no longer showing up on the top 100.
Okay. What do these acquisitions mean for the industry as a whole? Is it healthy or are companies becoming a one-stop shop now?
Well, I'd say there are both positive and negative aspects of this trend. On the one hand, consolidation can lead to stronger, more stable companies that are better equipped to navigate regulatory challenges and global distribution and large-scale manufacturing. On the other hand, the industry risks losing the dynamic innovation that mid-cap companies bring. Mid-cap firms often focus on niche markets and disruptive technologies, which are essential for driving progress. And reduced competition also leads to monopolistic behavior, higher costs, and slower innovation cycles. So, to your question, is it healthy or not? I'd say both. I'd say there's both positive and negative aspects of the trend.
Right, right. But it's not all about acquisitions, correct? There are some spin-offs too.
Exactly. It's a combination of growing through R&D and market expansion, and partnerships with larger players and yes, spin-offs.
Awesome, awesome. Thank you for your time, Amanda. And if you want to see the report in full, please visit us online and download MDDI's top 100 medical device companies list at mddionline.com. That's mddionline.com.